Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna give you 5 pros or 5 reasons why you should pick up the Oppo Find N2. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I want to give you the 5 pros or the 5 top reasons why you may want to pick up this Oppo Find N2. Yesterday's video, I did the 5 reasons why you may not want to, or the 5 cons of this phone. And I want to give you the 5 reasons why you might want to pick this up. Let's get it out the air too. I am enjoying this phone. It has my main SIM card slot in it, and I've been using this as my main daily driver. So yes, I'm putting it to the test, and these are the 5 reasons why I think you may want to pick it up. If you already have it, y'all can leave comments on why y'all enjoying the phone also. Let's get that going too. We can get a great discussion in the comments. Shout out to everyone that's been supporting the videos also. I appreciate every other comment on there, and I appreciate the support. But let's get into it. We're gonna start off with like a so-so reason why you may want to pick this up. Not one that will definitely make you want to buy it, but the MSRP of this phone is $14.99 to import it from Giztop, and you can actually get like a honey discount for like 2% off, or maybe even 4% off depending on what time it is. So you can get it a little bit cheaper than the $14.99. I say MSRP because with the Galaxy Z Fold 4, it's $18.99 or $17.99, but you can get deals. On this phone, there's no deals, but if we're looking at just the MSRP, it is a great price point for a folding phone. When you look at the Galaxy Z Fold 4 or even the Vivo Fold X or all these other foldable phones that you can import, $14.99 is a great price point for this phone. Now, if you live in China, if you're watching this in China for whatever reason, yeah, you can get it even cheaper over there. You don't have to import it. But $14.99, that's the first pro on why you should pick up this phone. Let's keep it moving. The second reason is battery life. If battery life is a concern for you, you don't have that concern with this phone. I can get between 1.5 days to 2 days of battery life, maybe even more if I try to push it. I use my phone heavy, and I've been using it heavy for the last couple of days now. It is improving every day I use it, so it's still learning, you know, my records and stuff. It's just learning my habit. I've been using the camera a lot, so you know, the camera app will drain the battery, especially shooting 4K video, and it still gives me great battery life. So the battery life, if you're worried about it, I know the Z Fold 4 and the 3 has some bad battery life for folks. On this one, you don't have to worry about battery life. Plus, you have a 67 watt wire charging on here. So even if you do have to charge it, it will charge pretty quickly. The third reason is if you had the Oppo Find N2, or you just had any type of foldable phone, sometimes they don't give you the best camera setup, and it's not the best cameras for whatever reason. The Find N1 was not the best cameras. These cameras here on the rear are a lot better than what they were on the Find N1, and they can compete with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. I did a camera test, y'all go check that out, and the cameras did really well when you compare it to the Z Fold 4. You had that 50 megapixel main shooter there. For video, they look really good. The only thing it slacks is in the front where you cannot do 4K at 60, it's only 1080p. But nighttime photos came out good, the video came out good. The cameras are improved from the Find N1. Definitely, probably one of the biggest improvements that they made to this phone. All right, let's keep it moving. The fourth reason why you should pick up this phone is the overall build quality of this phone. You have aluminum sides, you have the Victus glass in the back and the front, and then on the back, you have this matte finish on there, which makes it just look amazing. The black one is like this faux leather back, The aluminum sides feel good in the hands. And the overall build, you could tell they just took their time. They improved the hinge, which is a big factor on there. So build quality, yes, I give that to the hinge too. And I mean, just look at it. Look how flat that is. Like the fold, it's kind of open down here and then it gets skinny there. But the overall build quality of this phone is up there with the premium phones that I have. So I love the matte finish back. And then you don't have to worry about, you know, you're supposed to not worry about scratches and stuff or breaks with the Victus glass, but we all know how that works out. But the overall build quality is probably another reason why you might want to pick this up. All right, number 5, or you can call this number 1, of one reason that you may want to pick up this phone is just the form factor and just the overall size of it. I love, look how big that screen is compared to like the Z Fold 4. You can see it. I mean, when you text and stuff, you can read your text. Even on here, you can read it. Watching YouTube videos, it doesn't make you want to open up your front display at all, or your covered main display when you have a screen like this. Now, I think more phones will start coming out like this. I think the Pixel Fold will have a similar design like this, which will make it 100% better. Also, when you open it up, it's not as big as the Z Fold 4, which I think a lot of people in the US will love this if they could get their hands on it and it worked properly for, I mean, look at it. It's a perfect size. I like the landscape. The form factor is probably one of the major reasons why I picked up this phone. It feels better in the pockets, and it's just overall a better form factor than the Z Fold 4. I wish Samsung would do something with their design. You can't tell me that the screen is skinnier at all. Now also, to add to that point, just the form factor, but the panels that they use on this phone are great. It's 120 hertz refresh rate. It is LPTO display on here, so you can go from 0 to 120 hertz. It's a beautiful display. Look at the colors. Watching YouTube and everything on here, on this display, or even on the cover display here, are great. I mean, I have no issues with using the cover display or that main display. The form factor is probably one of the reasons, or the best reasons, why you may want to pick this up. I can't wait to see if other companies use this form factor, because I think it will be a winner. If the Pixel Fold can make this form factor, game over. Y'all let me know if y'all agree with me or disagree with me. Let's get a friendly discussion going in the comments. Again, these are my 5 top reasons. If you have this phone, let me know in the comments of what y'all think about it. What are some of the pros that you enjoy about it? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned to the channel. I will have more videos coming out with the Oppo Find N2. In the comments, if you made this far, let me know what other videos you want to see. Also, leave hashtag BAMNation in the comments, so that way I know you made it to this part of the video. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForrestReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, y'all, I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day. Peace.